Location flag. Hello 𝗟𝗂𝗍 𝗙𝗂𝗪 sharing with you the grand opening of the most upscale mall food court in 𝗏𝗂𝗏 is happening now October 11, 2024. The LCC Food District in LCC Malls Legazpi. Blessing, ribbon cutting, and grand opening of the LCC Food District. LCC Food Garden. Tom's World. 𝗨𝗂𝗖𝗍 Pure Foods Tender Juicy. 𝗏𝗂𝗏 Express. 𝗙𝗂𝗏 𝗪𝗏𝗄 𝗏𝗂𝗏 𝗏𝗂𝗏 𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗀 Cafeteria. 𝗑𝑚yongdong-ph. Brain Freeze Ice Cream. 𝗪𝗶𝗄𝗀 Locos Empanada. Chicken Poppers. The Trio and Company. Cafe. 𝗕𝗂𝗡𝗀. Samgup on the Go. Bing's Food House. Lemon Zone. Infinity. Turks. Potato Giant. Potato Corner. Fat Boys. 𝗏𝗏𝗺𝗏. Chef Lee Jr. 𝗍𝗵𝗲 King. 𝗍𝗏𝗧. ＴianYian. Experience one of the most upscale space with stunning interior crafted with style, comfort, and the best of culinary delights. Ready to serve you and fulfill your everyday food cravings. Heart Hands Smiling Face with Hearts. #LCC Food District #Grand Opening. #LCC #Our Best for You.